Hello everyone, it's another edition. In this video now we are going to do the real work of the PowerPoint, since the other video I've already covered the features. So now this video we shall just go to work, because I've already typed some work under PowerPoint, so we shall use it for learning, and probably after this video I know we'll be able to make a good presentation in any field you are in. So probably gets to work. So I typed some work here on the PowerPoint. Let me check. Yeah, so that's my work that I've already typed. This work it's under farming, like how we are going to present, like in this video I'm covering like how to make a presentation about farming. So under this I've already typed my work, and I've already designed it, like putting this automatically like I've in the other first video. You can even be able to change that in case you want. Just choose any, automatically change, or this one any you want. So probably I've chosen this one for this video. So we are going to go ahead to see how we can make a presentation on farming. Then we shall go ahead even to insert some pictures to make so that the audience really feel like to feel the work, so that it will not be a boring presenter anyway. Okay, like the first thing like we are going to do here is to make sure that we see how we are going to first of all inside like how the flow of your work. Like for me, like this, like introduction under farming. So under farming now slide 2, I've already come with the outline on like how the work will be presented. Under outline you are going to define farming, then give the different types of farming, and now importance of farming, and now the problems that are associated with the farming, and now possible solutions. Then now you conclude, like already I've typed in this slides here, definition. They've said I should be able to break them in a way that you'll be able to move you to the next slide here easily. Like a definition for farming: this is a practice of growing crops and the rearing of animals in the farmland. And probably that will be able to push you to the next step. Like under farming, we have different types of farming. There's mixed farming, extensive farming, vertical. You can list as many as you can. Then probably this will be able to move in. After farming, you'll be following like your outline of the work. You'll be able to move to the importance of farming. So under the importance of farming, you can see I've already typed here like agricultural raw materials. It acts as food security, health and nutrition, because agriculture provides various food nutrients that you can be able to boost in your health and nutrition as food security, and this rural development as well, because those agriculture products will be sold and probably development will come in the area. Then the next slide will be able to push like the problems associated with the farming. You have climate change, these are the problems. Then now the next slide will be able to push you to what are the possible solutions. So probably these are the solutions. So when you're explaining the solutions, automatically you'll be able to move you to the next step of what? The conclusion. And you'll be able like to conclude, thanks the audience. Then you welcome the questions and answers. But to make the work more productive enough, I have some things that you can really do here. Let's first inside some of the eye-catching photos and that. And all these slides, so that at least the work will be presentable. I have some pics on my desktop. I'll be able to put them here in the slides. Sound of fun. You can put some logo that represent like that slide is mainly for farming. Even if someone is not interested in your work, but the pic really make that person to feel like, yeah, this is the work. So I have some pics here on my desktop. I get them. This one, logo for farming. So I want to paste it there. I'll choose the work. this works, so probably I can paste it here. So as you can see, that's the logo for farming, but you have to reduce it a bit. I should not cover the work. You have to reduce it a bit. Let me be able to remove it, to reduce it. To reduce the size a bit. Reduce the size. So that you can fit in the slide. As you can see, even if someone just sees the slide, someone just get to know like that's what we're going to talk about farming. Then the next slide, we are going to look at like the outline. So I have some pics, you can be able to put them under this to make the work to look more attractive. So be like, that's what, that's the outline. So probably I can copy this. Have some picture for the outline, so can be able to copy it. Yeah, so probably I can paste it here. That is it. So let me reduce the bit so that I can fix it here. As you can see, even someone can just yeah, that's the outline. That's the outline for the work. Then another slide, we are going to go like the definition of farming. So probably this is the definition of farming, the practice of growing of crops and the rearing. So you can even insert some eye-catching pics so that the work will look more attractive, so that someone get to know like really it is farming, that's farming taking place. So you can insert a pic here. So I can reduce this. That will be able to fit in. So at least someone will be able to see like that's farming taking place. Probably can put it there. Can able to insert another pic like we have said, the growing of crops and the rearing of animals. So I can insert another pic there, like the where someone a list is. That is a list animals as well. Check on this. So I can be able to copy this pic and paste in the work. So let me be able to paste it here. So that at least this will define what's called farming. So at least someone also, when you're presenting, someone will be able to see like, yeah, that's farming taking place, growing of crops and rearing of animals in the farmland. Probably this will be able to push us to the next step of types of farming. Some types of farming, we have different types of farming, so we can be able to insert pixels as well to at least make the work look more attractive. Someone will be able to see like, yeah, this is really different types of farming. So I have some pics on my desktop here, so I can be able to put them there, insert them. So I can be able to insert them here. Okay. So you can see this is mixed farming. So at least you should have some pics so that the work will be a bit more attractive. Even though you are presenting, there will be no doubt in your work. So you can see we already inserted that one. So can you see we have mixed farming, so that you under mixed farming you can just see like this farming where involves the growing crops and the rearing of animals. That one is self-explanatory. Someone will be able even to see. We still have these ones as well, so you can be able even to have some picture on my desktop. You can be able even to fit in there. Able to fit in. I would do various types of farming. So that is it. So we can make even this picture fit. So this is what they call vertical farming. They call vertical farming. So at least someone can also be able to see the different types of farming taking place there. So you can still be able to insert more. Let me add one more at least. Let me add one more so that you can be able to see. The work will look more eye-catching. So let me insert that pic here. Typically this is another type of farming, and this one is mainly these are like the modern methods of farming now. So at least that slide is already decorated. You can see those are the different types of farming taking place there. So probably this can take us to the next step of the importance of farming. So under importance of farming, farming like provide raw materials to the agricultural factories, such as you can maybe even to put in some pic there to show like is it really true like farming provides raw materials there. It's also possible. Open this. So this one you can even see. Typically these are the yields of after farming, like these are the outputs. So probably these outputs will be transported to the processing industries and provide raw material there. So should have like these things so that they will be explainable, will be very easy for you. When you have the pic, someone can really like it is true. Then we still have more slides here. Another slide here. Now we have the problems associated with farming. As we know, like there also in everything there are problems. So let's first look at like the problems. One of them is climatic change, water scarcity, soil degradation, land shortage, labor shortage as well. So you can put some pics that will illustrate like really what are these really in real life. So probably we have some pics there we can be even to insert there, like this one for water shortage, mainly for the animals, for the farm activities. So you can be even to insert that one here. So as you can see that this real drought, these are the climatic changes you can see. So that one is self-explanatory. This is one of the climatic changes that can really bring the problems of agriculture. One of them is also that stuff for water scarcity. So you have some picture for water scarcity. You can be able to refer to it. and one of them also is drought, climatic changes. Yeah, you can see that scarcity of water for the animals. Probably it will be very hard for the farm animals as well. So you can see these really problems, and also under agriculture. So at least these two picks can be enough for that. Then we have like the solutions. What are the possible solutions to this? Possible solutions. So probably one of them like about irrigation, market access, and stability access to technology. So we can have some picture to relate like technology. What's really under technology? What can we really use to overcome the problem like of water shortage? One of them like this modern technology you can use like irrigation. It's one of the modern technologies that can use to fight some of these disasters. So as you can even see, these are one of the possible solutions to overcome these issues of climate change. You can be able even to add another pick if you have many, depends on the picks you have on your desktop. So I can be able to add another pick, like one of them is also labor shortage. So you can be able even to add more labors. So as you can see, this will explain like the possible solution. So the solution even you're already seeing in the diagram. Yeah, so probably you can be able to fit in there. You can see like these are the possible solutions. And now the last one is like the conclusion. Also you need to thank the audience and then you welcome questions and answers as well. So that one probably you can even just leave it out without any pick, like in case you have you can insert it. Then another thing, like when I'm presenting, I should be able like the slides to be moving like automatically. You set them like maybe after this minutes of this, so that your work will be easy. So for that one is also possible. We can use what they call slide map. For the slide maps, I send a view. You can tap on view, then tap on view. Let me see slide master. So probably this slide, that's a slide master. You can tap on it. When you tap on it, this is slide master. You have to go to this first one here. Yeah, this first one. Then you click on it. So probably then like you tap on this first one, and then this you can even go ahead to highlight. Depends like how you want your work to be. So you can be able even to highlight this. Tap on it, even to highlight it if you want. You can be even to put like the animations on how you want it to appear, or just want it to be wiped up, or this one, this. But at least you should do choose a humble one when you're presenting as well. Tap on this. There's still more options here. You can tap maybe. Let's check this. Automatically you can be even able to use this one. Yeah, so we can first check on this one. Tap on that. So you first highlight. Let's check on it. This work. First check on this. So at least let's take that one. Now we can come to this, and we also check like now we want this one also to be as well. We'll go to transitions, open this. Let's first get done with animations. Yeah, at least that one is humble. Let's check on this. I have done that one as well. So after that, we can now go to transitions. First check on this. That's how you want your work to be. And then there's still options here we can use. So yeah, we can use that one. But in sample we can choose that one as well. Then now you go to like this ones, apply to all. You have typed apply to all. Now you go ahead to close that, to close the slide master. So after now you close the slide master, probably you can now go and time. Go to time and time date. Now you want it to be. You can time this. Maybe let the duration be 2. Like you want it to be after. That one can also work. And now after that you apply now to all. After applying now, you can see like will it work. Tap on this automatically. Yeah, our slides are working. Let's start like from the beginning. So but when you are presenting, you'll be able even to see like that will be changing like after every 2 seconds. So that's our work, you can see. So probably when you're presenting now, you'll be able to like you'll be very easy for you to pretend to present the slides. Will be moving automatically. You can see how it is moving. As you'll be explaining, your slides will be moving. So now those are the problems associated with the farming. So you can see our possible solutions also as well. They are there. Then that's the last slide. So probably if this video was really helpful to you, remember to subscribe, like, comment as well. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video.